Bro, love the art of hard work. You can achieve anything with hard work. Just give your 100% dedicated and in a right direction. And just listen. Life is totally absurd and boring. But you have to give a meaning. So you can do hard work. Dedicate yourself in something. It might be anything. Anything that's mean anything. So focus on hard work. Yes, hard work means also smart work. You can do both things. Got it? You can plan your ideas smartly and then you can do hard work. Got it? So don't away from, oh, I don't want to do hard work. It's so uncomfortable, bro. Just live at this pain. Embrace this pain. Love this pain. Just try to enjoy. Try to live. And just say, okay, I love it. I love this pain. Just give me just pain. And if time passes, then you will be a different person. Because suffering make you stronger, problems make you smarter and lots of things. So never escape problem. Embrace the problem. You will be the amazed by looking at yourself in the mirror. Oh, you are, wow, you are really crazy. You are doing this thing. Thank you so much. And you build self-esteem and you see respect for yourself. See, there is nothing right and wrong. Just do. Don't listen to anybody. Try to take a copy and pen and write whatever you want. Just write what you want and what you don't want. Got it? Got it? Just write what you want and what you don't. That is crazy, isn't it? Like you said, I want success, I want peace of mind. Then remember, yes, you can get success. Extreme success. You have to bear pain. You have to do hard work. And I don't know, but you might be faced unpeace. You cannot, I mean, you find noise. You can't find peace at all. So, the point is mine is just do hard. Enjoy the process. Enjoy it. If you are playing music, enjoy it. Don't, okay, result is important, I know. But there is many things you can do. Enjoy it, embrace it, demolish it. Demolish your work, entire thing. Just learn a thing totally. Don't be an average guy. Really, don't be an average guy. Why do you want to be average? Don't be average. Try to be excellent, perfect. Yes, you cannot be perfect, but you can achieve excellent. You can become better every day. So, embrace it. Do hard work. Take one topic, learn it. Give 20 hours. You will be the one person in a 1%. Can you imagine? Only 20 hours. And you spend your whole time in mobile phone. But bro, I don't like this. I don't want to become uncomfortable. Really. If you want to anything, then you have to feel uncomfortable. And that is true. You can't escape it. Yes. If you're saying I want success, then you have to do it. No matter what, you have to do it. There is no any chance, oh, I want that. I don't want that. Yes, you can become a loser. And now you are already a loser. Then why? Why do you want to be a loser? Try to be excellent. Try to be praised by someone. Yes, become better every single day. If people admire you, enjoy it. Become that person who admired by people. Give your 100%. Obsessed with that particular thing, no matter what. And if you are a goal oriented, then don't be a outcome oriented. Outcome is important, but don't put yourself too much and don't attach from outcome, because if outcome will not come, you feel depressed, and then you will do nothing at all. You will waste your entire time, days, and even months. Don't attached with anything. Be unattached. Oh, what the fuck? Unattached. I don't know. What? Unattached. Now I forget what should I say. Then I hope you got it. What I'm saying. So, love with your work, enjoy it, and give your entire dedication.